We want to integrate 1 plus cos x divided by sine squared x. Take away 2 over x with respect to x. Let's look at this. If we split the fraction, we have 1 over sine squared x plus cos x over sine squared x. And of course we haven't touched the 2 over x. The 1 over sine squared x is cosec squared x. Cos x over sine squared x can be written as cos x over sine x times sine x. The cos over the sine gives us cot, and we're left with a 1 over sine, which is cosec, and we have the minus 2 over x on the end. All of these are now standard integrals. If we integrate cosec squared x, we get minus cot x. If we integrate cot x cosec x, we get minus cosec x. And if we integrate minus 2 over x, we get minus 2 times the log of mod x. Remember, if we integrate 1 over x, we get log mod x. So this is just minus 2 times that. And don't forget to add the arbitrary constant on the end.